So guys, what is the first thing that comes up inside of your mind when you think about a Galaxy Note device? Well, not sure about you, but S Pen functionality is the one that pops up right inside of my mind. Well guys, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at a very feature-packed Galaxy Note 9 ROM for Samsung Galaxy Note 3. And a big thanks to our sponsors, safebymold.com, for sending us this beautiful automatic umbrella. More on that later in this video. Guys, first of all, we're going to be taking a look at the Android version on which this Galaxy Note 9 ROM is currently running on. So for that, I would like to take you inside of settings and then in about device. And here in software information, guys, you can see right up at the top, the Android version of this ROM is 7.0 nougat. And guys, you might have seen that inside of Samsung's Infinity Display phones, there is this beautiful nav bar going on in the bottom through which you can navigate your system. And just like that, we have this beautiful nav bar enabled on our Galaxy Note 3 devices with the Galaxy Note 9 ROM that we are taking a look at in this video. Now, the cool thing about this navbar is that whichever application you visit, it changes its color according to that. So if I go ahead and open up Messages app, you can see that since the accent color of this app is blue, the navbar has changed its color to blue as well. Now, if I go ahead and open up any other application, let's get inside of email for this video. Now here guys, as you can see, since the accent color was orange, the navbar has turned orange as well. Pretty cool, but that's not the thing which I really like about it. The thing which really amazes me is that the fact you can customize it according to your taste. So let me show you how you can do that. So guys, for the customization of the navigation bar, inside of the app drawer, you will find this app right here with the name S9 Navigation Bar. So go ahead and tap on that. Now here guys, you will find loads of options through which you would be able to customize your navigation bar. Now I'm not going to be showing you all of the settings, but I'll definitely try my best to shed some light on those features which I think are pretty impressive. So with that being said, let's take a look at the first feature. So guys, under the Others tab, you will find plus button settings. So go ahead and tap on that. Now here guys, you will find these two toggles. So by enabling any of these two toggles will give you an extra button in the navigation bar through which you would be able to add another action. So let me just show you what I'm actually talking about. So here, if I go ahead and tap on single click, it will give me this list of the actions that I can have. So for instance, I have already enabled take screenshot option. So if I go ahead on my home screen and tap on these three dots, within a couple of seconds, the screenshot will be taken. Alright guys, so for the next feature, it is going to enable us to have gestures enabled on our navigation bar. Now for instance, I have already enabled one of the gestures which enables the flash on my device. So if I go ahead and swipe from the recent key to the right side, you can see that it does enable the flash. Pretty cool. If I go ahead and do the same thing, it disables that as well. So in order to have gestures enabled on your nav bar, you have to get inside of gesture settings. So here guys, you will find a lot of gestures. So here you can have single click gesture, long click gesture, or swipe left or right gesture. So do take a look at them. And guys, if you're a big fan of Galaxy Note 9, then you must be familiar with the live message app that comes along with it that lets you write anything on the screen in a very glittery way, just like that. And fortunately, we are finally able to have this app on our Galaxy Note 3 devices as well with the Galaxy Note 9 ROM. And guys, the app works pretty fine on our Galaxy Note 3 devices, and you can also choose different brushes for writing on the screen. So in order to get them, you have to tap on this icon right here, and from here you can choose a different brush. So let me choose this one right here. So the current brush which I'm having right now comes with the blue stroke without any glitter effect. So as you can see right here, it works pretty good. And you also get some pre-made GIFs along with this application which look pretty impressive as well. So in order to get them, you have to tap on this icon right here, and right here you will get all of the GIFs. So let me show you this one right here because the animation with this GIF looks pretty damn cool. And you can also share this with your friends or family members. So in order to do that, you have to tap on share button, and from here you can choose any social media network through which you want to share this. And guys, with this ROM you get two camera applications, one being the Galaxy Note 9 camera app and second the Galaxy Note 7 camera app. The reason behind the addition of these two camera APKs is because of the requests of so many users. Anyways, with that being said, let's take a look at the Galaxy Note 9 camera app. So by opening up the app, it will look something like this, which according to me is pretty damn clean. And if you want to go full view, you can also do that by tapping on this icon right here. This will change the aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9. So now you have full view of the camera. And you also have a pretty cool feature in here which allows you to zoom in or out by just moving this shutter key left or right. And guys, you can also apply different filters on your images by tapping on this icon and then by choosing the effect from here. My personal favorite is rosy effect because it changes the colors of those things which are shining. Well, let me just show you what I'm actually talking about. So inside of my hand there are some candies, as you can see right here. Well, they are shining and at the same time they are of yellow color. So if I put them in front of the camera with the rosy mood on, you can see that the whole aspect changes. They look weird but at the same time pretty damn cool. And guys, just like we have the beautiful text stickers on Galaxy Note 9, we also get to see them on Galaxy Note 3. So in order to have them, you have to tap on this icon and then from here tap on this icon, and here guys you will get all of the text stickers. So let me apply one of the text stickers here. So you can also resize them, and at the same time you can also change the position of them just like that really easily. Alright guys, now it's time to take a look at the most powerful tool that we have inside of this camera app. Of course I'm talking about the Pro mode. So to enable that you have to tap on this icon and then you have to tap on Pro, and right off of that you will be taken inside of the Pro mode. So at the bottom you can manually adjust ISO, shutter speed, white balance, exposure and the focus. Honestly speaking, I use this feature quite a lot of times whenever I'm taking photos, and it does come pretty handy. So do take a look at that. I hope you will really enjoy taking a look at this feature. And guys, talking about the other stuff, well, we have the always on display working absolutely fine with this ROM. We also get the Galaxy Note 9 Edge panel as well as the S Pen functions, which work pretty good out of the box. Now guys, talking about the battery timing, well, I'm getting about 4 hours of on-screen timing with this ROM, which is more or less the same than what you get on stock ROM. Now guys, I couldn't show you much of the features inside of this ROM because they are pretty much the same than what you get on Galaxy Note 8 ROM. So if you want to check them out, just go ahead and discover out this ROM yourself. Alright guys, now it's time to take a look at the sponsor of today's video, safebymall.com, who have sent us this beautiful umbrella. Now guys, this is not an ordinary one. It is a foldable automatic umbrella which comes with this nice pouch, which also comes to have a Teflon coating on top of it. Now you can easily unzip the pouch and take out the umbrella out of it. Now the umbrella yet again is secured with a Velcro strap which you can easily open and close, and right down below we have an anti-slip rubberized wooden handle which also gives a very soft and smooth touch to the hand. Alright, so in order to open the umbrella you have to press this button and it will open up pretty quickly, and just like that you can press it again to close it and then bring both the ends of the umbrella towards the center until it locks down to be used for next time. And guys, taking an inside look of the umbrella, we get to see a combination of steel and fiberglass along with 8 spokes which add up to the rigidity of the umbrella. And guys, to test out the strength of the umbrella, I took it out in a very windy weather which you can tell by the video, and surprisingly it did quite well by withstanding the wind. And another amazing thing about this umbrella apart from its compatibility is the waterproof fiber that comes along with it. Now I did pour some water on top of it just to test out what it promises, and as expected it repelled the water very precisely. Now in the end some of the water will stay on top, and the way you can take it out is pretty simple. Just close it and then take it at a place where you can take the water out by holding the umbrella upside down. So guys, on the whole I'm really impressed by this durable and compact umbrella by Nalanda. It is 13 inches in size when it is closed and weighs only 10 ounces so that you can carry it anywhere with no trouble. Now it costs $13.20, but you can use this promo code to get a discount of 5% off your purchase. Alright guys, now coming back towards the ROM, first of all we're going to be installing the torque recovery on our Galaxy Note 3 devices for installing the ROM, and the required one for this ROM is 2.8.7 torque recovery. So first of all you have to get inside of the download mode on your phone, and then you have to connect your phone to the PC. So in order to get inside of the download mode, press and hold the lock key, center home and volume down key simultaneously, and you will be taken inside of the download mode. Alright guys, so I have finally connected my phone to my PC now, and now I'm gonna open up Odin. So here guys, all you have to do is press the volume up key, and right after that you will see a blue box appearing inside of Odin. So let me just open up my Odin to show you what I'm actually talking about. So here you can see this blue box which I was talking about. And here guys you have to tap on AP, and from here you have to select the torque recovery, which in our case is 2.8.7.0. You can tap on open, and right after that you have to tap on the start button, and within a couple of seconds the torp recovery will be installed on our Galaxy Note 3 devices. So guys, after you have successfully flashed the torp recovery on your device, in order to get inside of it, you have to press and hold the lock key, center home and volume up keys simultaneously until the Samsung logo pops up. Alright guys, now before we go ahead and show you how you can install this ROM on your Galaxy Note 3 to torp recovery, I just want to let you know that Android Pie 9.0 is already out for Samsung Galaxy Note 3, and I also made a video about that a couple of days back, so if you want to check that out, you can tap on this annotation and check that video out. Alright guys, so once you are inside of the custom recovery, go ahead and tap on wipe and then advanced wipe. Here, select these items. After that, go ahead and swipe to wipe them up. Next up, you have to move to the location where you save your ROM file. Well, for me, it's inside of the internal storage, so select your ROM file and then flash it. Now here guys, within a couple of seconds the Roma installer will pop up. So guys, when you will first get inside of the Roma installer, you will be asked to choose the language with which you want to proceed. So I'm going to be going with English. After that, go ahead and tap on next, and here you have the changelog going on, so go ahead and tap on next after reading that. And here you have to select the first option if you're installing this ROM for the first time, and here you have to choose your device model number. For me it's N9005. Choose the kernel according to your device model number. After that, tap on next. Here choose your CSC code, and here you have a good list of applications that you can have on your device, so select the applications that you want to have. After that, go ahead and tap on next. Here you have to choose the type of system UI that you want to have on your device. After the selection, tap next. Here you also have another list of the applications that you can have on your device. Make a selection, tap on next, and here choose Galaxy Note 9 camera app. And with this option you will actually get two camera applications, one being the Galaxy Note 9 camera app and second the Galaxy Note 7 camera app. Alright, so here you have the sound choice. Make a selection, tap next, and here you have to choose your NTP server. So since I'm living in Oman, so I'm going to be selecting that country. So here we are, tap next. Here choose the Super SU, which is basically the root option. Tap next. Here you have to tap on full wipe 1, tap on next, and last but not the least, you have to tap on this button which says install. Tap on OK, and there we go, the installation process will begin. Now that's going to be taking, I guess, 10 minutes, so after it finishes I'll come up next. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the ROM has been successfully installed. Go ahead and tap on next, tap on next once again, and your phone will start booting up. Now guys, the first boot is going to be taking about 30 minutes, so give it that much time. And one more thing guys, I would like to tell you that if your phone does not boot up after the installation of ROM, that might have happened because your phone had not supported the kernel which you installed with the installation package. Now, in order to resolve this issue, you have to install the ROM once again, but this time choose a different kernel than what you selected earlier, and surely your phone will boot up. So with that being said, that wraps up the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Got any queries, let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you all next time. Oh hey, don't forget to check out Android Pie for Galaxy Note 3 as well. You can check the link in the description or tap on this video.